Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to begin. Plug the Google Home Mini into power and listen for the chime. That confirms boot. Open the Google Home app and sign in. This lets the app provision the speaker to your account. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and that you're connected to the correct home Wi-Fi network. The device needs local network access to pair. Once the app detects the Mini, you'll be prompted to start the setup flow, so tap to continue and stay nearby. You'll now complete the core configuration. Tap the detected Mini in the app, confirm the audio cue or matching code to ensure you're connecting to the right unit, and choose your Wi-Fi network so the speaker can access the internet. Grant permissions like microphone and location. These let Assistant hear you and provide local results. Allow any firmware updates. Keeping software current prevents bugs. Finally, assign a room and name, and enable voice match, so the Mini recognizes you for personalized answers. Finish by testing basic commands and playing audio to confirm sound quality and service links. Link your preferred music and streaming accounts, add calendars, and connect smart home devices through the app so routines work smoothly. Adjust volume, night mode, and do not disturb settings to your preference. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reboot the Mini and your phone first, verify you're on the correct Wi-Fi band, and only perform a factory reset as a last resort to clear persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.